Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session today, I'm going to show you how to create layers in PPT within a single slide. Okay, and I have added some custom animation and it looks beautiful. Okay, first of all, let me show you how it looks, the slideshow, and then I will show you how to create one. And I have 10 slides, but these 9 slides are dummy. Okay, only the 10th slide is the final one. Everything is in one slide and I have created layers within the 10th slide. Alright, let's see the demo. Okay, as you can see here, you have 4 tabs. By default, this layer A is displayed. Okay, when you click next, layer B will be brought down with some custom animation. Okay, I'm right clicking next. Okay, so layer B is brought down and layer A will be disappearing, right? So this is empty. You can add some text here. So if I click next, layer C will be brought down, right? Similarly, layer D. Okay, so let us see once again. Okay, layer A, click next. B, you can change the speed. I'll show you that. Alright, so let's see how it is done. So first of all, you need to create a rectangle like this. Okay, and I have made 4 copies of this, each one for each layer. Okay, and I've differentiated with the different color. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this duplicate slide. I'll go all the way down. Okay, and yeah, it's actually here, but I'm gonna do it again. Okay, set. Okay, do this, and you have to actually merge these two. Okay, let's do that later. Copy and paste. What's that? Okay, adjust it. This also I can copy and paste. So this one I'll keep it like this. Okay, okay, so okay, for simplicity I'll be keeping just 2 slides. Merge these two, go to format and then shape union. So this plus this is now one shape. Okay, bring it up a bit. Okay, now do it against the same format shapes branch. So this is one shape, this is one shape. This is important. Okay, and then you can add some text here. So how do you add the custom animation? So by default, layer 1 will be visible. By default, layer 2 and subsequent layers will not be visible. So for that, you bring this up. Okay, make sure that you have grid lines and rulers on so that you can, understand the width and length where exactly you are moving your slide or layer. You better use the keyboard shortcuts. I mean to say the arrow key so that it moves in a proper direction. If you use mouse, you might see a variation. I mean, it might move left or right. Okay, if you do that, this animation will not be smooth. Okay, let me create one more layer. Okay, and this also use. The problem is I have to create the same shape. That's why you have to do everything together. Let me try. Rounded rectangle all the way. So check that this is same width. Yep, and I don't can't see that. Okay, this is not a grouping, right? I did this right. This is not a grouping, but it's merging the shapes. Okay, so this is my slide, and I'm gonna keep this here, and yeah, I have to keep it here in fact. Okay, and then merge these two. Format, shape, union. All right. So we have three slides now. Bring this up a bit. Not required because I've already moved. Okay. This is A, B, and C. Okay. So now we need to add the custom animation, right? So we don't have to apply anything on this, but these two we need to apply. Select this. Okay. Move this up a bit. Okay. Okay, select the one, I will name it as A, B, C. Select B, go to animations, and then add animations. Go down, select lines. Okay, so by default it's downward movement, right? You can select left, right, anything. So for me it's down, right? Okay, see here it's moving halfway, but we need it to be completely overlapped with the previous slide, right? Previous layer. So I'm going to drag this all the way down until it overlaps with the previous layer. Okay, make sure that you adjust the edges correctly, right? So that's it for now for slide B. Okay, you can now adjust the delay. This is 2 seconds, right? I'll make it 1.2. Yeah, or 1.5. Yeah, for me this looks better. Okay, so similarly for okay, no. Okay, the problem here is, see, this is not aligned with the previous layer, so we need to bring this down before applying the animation. Otherwise, it will start sliding from this point. So we don't want that. We want trust this for now. Move it a bit. Okay, I'm using keyboard arrows so that it's smooth. Okay, now add animation. Come back to lines. Okay, so here you need to drag this all the way down. Right. Okay. Make sure that you're you have selected the proper slide, otherwise it will be a problem. Right? Let's see the demo. Oh, this is 1.5, right? Select both of select and play. Right? So first let's see the demo. A, B, C. Okay, friends, this is how you do the tabbed or layered slides with some custom animation. You can beautify it however you want. So I'll be saving this template in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for other useful MS Office automation videos. Thank you.